Today I'm going to show you how to make this super cute, beginner-friendly Halloween tumbler. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel and check the description box for my Facebook group and all products used. Let's get started. We will be working on a True 22 from the Tipsy Magnolia. Check the description for a discount code. I am using evening gown glitter and I have already painted and applied my adhesive to my tumbler. I accidentally deleted that portion of my video, so I had to steal a video off of TikTok. Then I have epoxied my tumbler until it is smooth and cut my decal out on printable vinyl. The letters were giving me quite the fit, so I decided to do the reverse weeding where you put the transfer tape on the front and then pick off the extra off of the back. Reverse weeding can be a little bit of a pain in the butt because you're fighting sticky against sticky, but it's really great for decals that don't want to weed perfectly or a finer cut font. I was just going to stick this decal right on my tumbler, and then right about here I realized that you couldn't see the words. So I took some light yellow vinyl and did an offset around my decal and applied that to my tumbler first. Now I'm going to grab my decal, lining that up perfectly center in between that yellow offset and applying that to my tumbler. Now I grabbed some light pink vinyl and took it over to my silhouette and just cut some stripes at 3 different sizes. I cut 2 of each because we are going to apply these to the top and bottom of our tumbler. Everybody always asks me what size I cut my stripes, and honestly, I don't really measure. I just kind of go by what it looks like on my screen and how I think it will work with my design. So you guys, that's just up to your personal preference at what size to cut these at. I cut 3 different sizes, one being the thickest that we are going to apply at the top and bottom rim, and then the second one a little bit thinner, and then the third one being the thinnest. I'm going to start by applying the thickest one just around the base, but leaving a little gap between the vinyl and the rim just so it lays flat. Once you get to the bottom rim, it's a little bit harder to control your vinyl and make it smooth. Now we are going to grab the next vinyl stripe that is just one size down from the thickest and place that on our tumbler, leaving a little bit of a gap in between each one. I am just going to eyeball the distance in between. I'm pretty good at doing so, but if you struggle with that, go ahead and just grab a ruler or a measuring tool and make a few little marks on your tumbler to follow along to. Now take the thinnest stripe of vinyl and place that on your tumbler, once again leaving a gap in between each stripe, just leaving some of that glitter exposed. Once you get it all the way around to the end, just trim off the excess with some scissors. We are going to apply the vinyl in the same fashion to the top of our tumbler. Remember to leave a little bit of a gap between the top rim and the vinyl. This is to make sure that your vinyl lays completely flat and smooth, and also that it keeps a good seal when you epoxy your tumbler. Now apply your second piece of vinyl right below that thicker piece. Keep in mind that you want to try to keep the distance the same from the bottom to the top. It just will look more eye appealing if you do so. Once again, if you are not very good at eyeballing things, go ahead and just mark the measurements out with a ruler. Now go ahead and add your final piece of vinyl striping. And just to note, look at that sparkle on this glitter. Once again, it is called Evening Gown. It is a highly underrated color in my shop. It is absolutely gorgeous. It has a slight color shift if you have picked up on that yet. It is like a deep purple, but it kind of has like a slight greenish shift. It is absolutely gorgeous. You definitely need this one in your collection. Now it's time to add your final layers of epoxy until your tumbler is smooth to the touch. And here is our cute tumbler all finished. This just goes to show you that not all beautiful designs have to be difficult. I think it turned out so cute. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.